How to reset Snapchat My Eyes Only password without losing everything. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to How to Solution. And today in the video, I'm going to show you how you can reset your password of the Snapchat, and at the same time you get recover your data as well. So first of all, let me tell you the Snapchat so once you forgot your password of My Eyes Only Snapchat, so once you click on the reset button, Snapchat is not going to recover your data. So in order to get your data back, you have to open the browser that you're using, tap in a search bar and type support.snapchat. After that, open the first website. Now tap on contact us. After that, tap on I lost my snap streaks. Now if you scroll down a little bit, from here on you have to answer the question they are asking. Type your username here, type your email here, and type your phone number here. After that, select the device that you're using, what is the model series that you're using, and you have to give them any of your friends' username here. After that, you have to tell them when did you start having this issue, and you also give them the numbers that how much do you have the snap streaks. After that, tap here yes. Now in the what information should we know section, you have to write that you forgot your My Eyes Only password and you have to recover your data as well. Please help me Snapchat. Just enter that, and after that tap on send. So just like that, you recover your data as well, recover your snap streaks, or you reset your password. So that is it in this video. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you have any question, you can ask me right in the comment section down below. I'll be sure to answer them as soon as possible. I'll catch you up guys in the next video. Until then, take care of yourself. Bye.